If your drum fills sound like this, then you're not alone. But there's that simple concept that makes any fill instantly more musical. And most drummers don't even know about it. Hey, what's up? Eddie here. I hope you're doing well. Learning the concept that I'm sharing with you today changed everything for me. And once you see it, your fills will never sound the same again. Alright, here's the problem. Most drummers structure their 16th note fills in groups of 4, which makes sense because it's 4 groups of 4 per beat in a 1-bar fill. But sometimes that can also feel stiff and become very predictable, and you end up playing the same fills over and over again. But now let's view those 16th notes for what they are, 16 notes in total, and divide them in different groupings, 3 and 5. So 3, 5, 3, 5 also makes 16 notes. But it will give a totally different sound to your fill. So the stickings for today are right, left, left for the group of 3 and right, left, left for the group of 5. So let me play one round of 4 groups of 4, the standard fill, and 1 bar of the 3s and 5s fill, and watch how it changes the feel of that fill. So you hear the difference? You suddenly have a fill that sounds surprisingly cool. Now to make it more musical, more interesting, you start moving the right hand around the toms, creating different melodies with different sounds of different toms. Let's take a look at how that sounds. Alright, pretty cool, right? And that's just the tip of the iceberg, because now we're playing 3-5-3-5, but what if we play 5-3-5-3? And you've probably guessed it already, there's way more possibilities than just these two. But I'm leaving that to you. I hope this gets you out of the repetitive fills that you've been playing for a long while probably, because I've been there as well. And this is just one of the tools that I teach inside the Flow Collective, my community for drummers who want to go beyond the basics and want to break free of those repetitive fills so they can finally unlock freedom and creativity behind the drum kit. If you want to learn how to turn every rudiment or idea into 100 fills that sound musically, I'll link it below. And hey, if you feel the difference with these 3s and 5s, let me know in the comments. I'm super excited and I read every one of them. Have fun, and I'll see you in the next one.